We are going to talk about this line of code. It's not even a full line, just an expression. But seeing it invoked all kinds of feelings in me. This author does not understand logic. Am I missing something? No, I am not. This is purely stupid. This is clearly an unnecessary piece of code. If the value is already not a number, it evaluates to not a number. If it is a number, it remains a number. Let's blame someone. This line of code is from React Stately, which is part of React Spectrum libraries. React Spectrum is a design system by Adobe. The last person to change this line of code was Devon Govett. Wow, the creator of the parcel bundler. But wait, he did not originally add this expression to the line. That was Robert Snow. So is Robert lacking understanding of code logic, or does he see something I am missing? You see, Robert has figured out something essential in programming. You write code for both computers and humans. This is a way to express to anyone reading the code in the future that this variable can, by design, be a number or not a number. And TypeScript does not have a not a number type. Robert made the decision to have the computer evaluate an unnecessary expression so that humans would understand and be able to maintain the code better. Wow, Robert, I think you are actually a genius. This is Robert. Robert is smart. Be like Robert.